Today we are here to learn new application for Tutor Touch. The name is Note 3. And we have a variety features of Note 3. I want to come to these treasure tools. Really, it's very useful for all teachers. I recommend for all of us to learn this one. When you click the subject button, you will see varieties tab. And if you want to change the background of our screen, we can click here and we can see solid colors. When you click black, automatically it will be black color. If you want to change another color, you can select. It depends on you which color you want. If you come here, you can see the variety subjects are here. If you click this one, you can see maybe you need this one. It depends on you if you want to use this one, or if you don't want to use, you can select another one. This one we have variety type. But if you are a PhD teacher, if you want to teach about football or about anything else, you can click this tool and you can select which one you want. Or music, if you're a music teacher, you can use this one. Yeah, I come here, I want to see discipline tool. You can see chemistry, physics, math and English. Today we are going to learn those things here. As you can see, when I click the chemistry, you can see which tools are related with chemistry subject. You can see here. If you click atomic structure, you can see it automatically will appear. If you click here, you can copy it, or you can come here, it will be copied to one. You can see now calcium. If you want to change with another one, you can click here, it will come another one will appear. Or if you don't like it, you can click here. You can see atomic periodic table here. If you want to click magnesium, let's suppose magnesium will appear here, and you can make comparison between both of them. It's very useful. Yeah, I want to put sink here, beaker here. We can see three of them here. One is here. Or let me shift it here. When you can change the color. I want to change their color. If I click here, you can see liquid color. It can be any other. You can choose by yourself. Here it should be, let's choose different color from them. And here you can see. I click here, you can see. Let's make it close. Or you can do it. Now you can see, oh, it's filling. Bigger you can do. Or you want to increase the word. Or you can move from physics part. You can see there are those tools are related with physics. Let's do one thing about physics. Let's suppose this one. Let's move this one and lamp. You can see. Let's put it here. Is here. Here. And for this part too. Here. Well, of course, before this one, let me close it. And if I come here, you see lamp will be appear. It's really very interesting. Also this one, this is also let me show from here. Let's suppose you can start side, and you can continue it. No need to close and open another one. Directly you can increase or you can decrease it. Yeah. I want to search. Let's suppose 3. Looking here, you will see varieties. Yeah, it actually depends on you. If you can write any of them. Just directly push them. Just directly right from Google, and you can put those pictures on this screen. We have done this one. You can come by this selection option. Let's write something here. Suppose. Or you can choose all of them. Move them around. If you come here, you can directly send them forward. This is eraser button. You can see here it's very useful. We have 3 types. One, we can directly click here and go to delete them like this one, or this one. If you want to select second one, just one click. Let's go to this one. You can see different type you can do. This is another one. Or we can choose another one. Let's suppose I want to choose this one. This is very important. I like it a lot. This one automatically, suppose you want to draw something, it's wrong, but automatically it recognizes that you want to draw this shape, and I want to draw triangle. You can see automatically give its shape by itself. No need to worry about it. Is this correct or not? I want to give 60 or 70 on what's X. It's for mathematics. It's very useful, or you can what you want depend of you. Here. If you want to delete, as I said, just it will be removed. Then, I want to say Nigerian. Try writing Nigerian Tulip International. I was going to write, but it didn't allow me. Suppose I want to write Tulip. It controls by itself. It's very nice tool. You can see it recognized by itself and can give us very good shape or very good writing style. And if I write, but you have to write properly, otherwise it will not recognize. Again, recognize one. Oh, this is undo and redo. If you click, it will go previous one. If you come back again, which one you go? Just you can go and remove all of them with undo and redo button. If you click it, directly will send you on your screen, normal screen. And I want to use Adobe. So we can see here. We can use this one. If we go to internet, I don't know. Is it possible to go here? Yes. We can write anything. Just I want to choose and select the video, and you can write on the video too with this marker here. You can see here. This button, go back. Or if you got treasure, you can bring light here. It's very important. You can choose, or you can increase the size, or you can depend on you what you want. Interesting. I like it a lot. If you click the math tab, you will see what is related with math subject, and you can see shapes are here, and you can draw variety shapes. This one, I want to change the color of the shape. You can see, very useful. Out of this one, let me delete and show you very important tools for math. Let's go to math. Yes, this is math. You can see here. If you click here, I want to write. Let's clear it. 4 plus 3 is 7. You can see automatically will be computerized up, and you can see. If you come down, it will go down. This one is another screen for. This is for English. If you click, you can write something here. NTIC. What you want is another one from here, or the same things. Sorry. Actually, connection is a little bit late. It goes late. That's why. You can see yourself. I don't. This one just you can show maybe with your students. You can make small short video if you want. Out of this one, I want to see this one in my phone. This screen just directly you can see from your phone, but you cannot do any action from your phone to here now. Just move phone.